gotta be in the right position. Around here.
What is this called, Brian?
Bird hunting body massage.
Okay.
Because he's been watching all the little birds out the patio door and jumping at them.
Oh, feel them shoulder muscles. Oh, relax. 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 Don't do it. Do it. Okay. Now, down here. Yeah, work the belly muscles. Yeah. Work the paws. Yeah. Oh, work the ears. Oh. Yeah. Shoulder muscles. They're the bad ones. Yeah. Okay. Oh, then you gotta work the skin. Work the skin.
This is not there, Dad.
Oh, okay.
You got that spot already.
See? Oh, that's my sister Norma. She's a massage therapist, and she would say when it hurts, like that, then you gotta work it. Work it, baby. He's a good kitty. He's a good kid. Lay there, lay there.
He's like, thanks, Dad. I think that you got all the spots that needed work.
And then a little pat on the buttski. Right there. Maybe a little elbow. What? Oh, no. Did you have anything else you wanted to say to the camera? Oh, no? Okay. What? Hey, why are your ears laid
He says,
back?
Dad, I'm not paying you for this.
Hey, you owe some kisses.
Oh, no. Your poor cat.